Most meals in a Mexican household will begin with beans and rice, which together make a full protein. Then you'll have a side dish, which could be a vegetable stew or a salad. And it can be something so simple as like chopped avocados with onion, tomato, cilantro, some lime juice, and salt. Some of my favorite vegetable side dishes are potatoes with greens, such as purslane, zucchini stews, lentils, vegetable soups, sauteed mushrooms, cauliflower, just the variety of cactus dishes, just to name a few. These dishes will often be served with a salsa to add some extra flavor, and it actually helps great with digestion. And of course, you will always find some fresh corn tortillas, which technically, if you put your side dish on top of your tortilla, now you have tacos. But altogether, this makes a very complete meal.